This machine just had me sit on a toilet for like 2.5 minutes because I had to contract my freaking ab muscles and my booty butt. Watch. I lost count, but my butt can feel it. I'll tell you that much. Had to rest my booty cheeks after that, and that's what happened. Was just sitting to the bathroom the first time I did this shit. And I'm feeling it though. I like it, because I'm a masochist. So I'll be back for more of it tomorrow. Or the day after that. I might take a break. Oh, I can't put too much in the body. You know, this vessel is on borrowed time, man. Just use it wisely, use it properly, use it respectfully, because once this motherfucker is gone, it's gone. And now it's just the front. I have to do my left and my right side now. One set each, but I ain't ready for it. But I'm ready for it. According to the app, it's day 33.